How to know if a product will sell in the US. Simple formula for beginners. One of the biggest fears in online selling is this: what if I choose a product and it doesn't sell? In this video, I'll show you a simple formula to know if a product will sell in the US. No guessing, no expensive tools. If you are a beginner, this method can save you money and frustration. Hello, my name is Divine Corcio. I am a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Prep for You Services, The Follow Hub, Gawang Kame US, DCS Digital Consultancy and Services. First, there is no 100% guarantee. Let me be honest, there is no product with a 100% guarantee. But there is a way to reduce risk and increase your chances. This formula helps you make smarter decisions. The simple formula, DAMP. I use a simple formula called DAMP. DAMP stands for D demand, A accessibility, M margin, P problems, D demand. First, demand. Are people actually buying this product? How to check: Amazon bestsellers, eBay sold listings, Google Trends. What to look for: consistent sales, multiple sellers making sales, stable demand, not just a one-day trend. No demand means no business. Accessibility. Accessibility means, can you sell this product? Ask these questions. Is the category ungated? Is it a generic product, not branded? Is it easy to source? A product can be profitable but still impossible for beginners. M. Margin. Margin is where most beginners fail. Check. Product cost, shipping and prep, Amazon or eBay fees, returns. Rule of thumb. Aim for at least 30% profit margin. High sales with low margin is a trap. P. Problems. Now look for problems. Check reviews for complaints, quality issues, shipping damage. Problems are not bad, they are opportunities. If you can fix a common problem, you can win. Step-by-step example. Let's apply the formula to a simple product. Example. Demand. Selling on Amazon and eBay. Accessibility. Ungated category. Margin. 35% profit. Problems. Reviews mention weak packaging. This product has potential if you improve packaging. Final check before you buy. Before purchasing inventory. Before purchasing inventory, test small. Double check restrictions. Calculate profit again. Never rush product decisions. Choosing products is a skill, not luck. The more you practice this formula, the better your results. Start small, stay patient, keep learning. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Comment below, DAMP, if you're going to use this formula. In my next video, I'll show you how to test products with small inventory. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.